coming in from the side of the BJP. The BJP alleges that there was vandalism in the houses of two functionaries. And other big breaking news coming in. This is a crucial piece of information coming in, viewers, from the Supreme Court. A crucial development from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, the apex court, has said that the West Bengal's original suit is maintainable against the union government, where they had accused the CBI of in an unauthorized manner, registering cases in the state despite the latter withdrawing general consent. This was, remember, in November 2018. Now, it rejects the preliminary objections of the union government on maintainability of the suit. This is extremely significant, remember, because the West Bengal government had approached the High Court and they had tried to make the centre a party in the same. The centre had said that no, we have nothing to do with this, please ask the CBI. But the crucial development coming in from Supreme Court, and this development can have wide range, of ramifications when the Supreme Court has basically held that the state of West Bengal suit against the union government over the registration of cases by CBI, despite the revocation of consent, is maintainable. Harish is joining us on the broadcast with more details on the same. Harish, this is an extremely crucial development coming in from the Supreme Court. Help us understand really the ramifications of the Supreme Court basically holding the West Bengal government's plea maintainable.
Yes, in fact, in May, while the reserving judgment in this case, the Supreme Court had, while admitting the petition filed by West Bengal government, challenging the case filing spree by the CBI, despite withdrawal of general consent in 2018, said that first we will decide whether the plea is maintainable or not. Only then we will go into merits. Remember, the centre had said that this plea is not maintainable because centre cannot be made a respondent because it is the CBI which is filing a case and centre is not directly controlling the CBI, only administrative control. But now Supreme Court has said that in a relief to Mamata government, Supreme Court has ruled that West Bengal suit is maintainable and said we will proceed according to law on its own merits. We will examine the legal issue if CBI can indeed lodge cases in West Bengal despite general consent withdrawn in 2018. Supreme Court rejected centre's argument that it can't be made respondent in Article 131 suit as CBI is not directly under centre. Supreme Court said we have gone through provisions of DSP Act as per which CBI is under the control of administrative control of centre. Supreme Court prima facie does not agree that it's CBI which is filing cases and not centre. CBI is not under the direct control of centre. That argument has been rejected by the Supreme Court. Remember, West Bengal had argued that CBI comes under the centre under Section 4.2 of the DSP Act and suggests it's under Department of DOPT of the centre. Also, Kapil Sibal for West Bengal government had argued that when a question on CBI is asked in the Parliament, it's a Minister of State in the central government in charge of the DOPT who answers the question and not CBI. And even the cases and affidavits in courts on behalf of CBI is filed by DOPT. So, very clear victory for West Bengal government in the first round, as Supreme Court has ruled that its original suit against the case filing spree by the CBI filed against centre is maintainable.
Well, absolutely. So, the TMC government has won round one in the apex court as the Supreme Court has found the West Bengal original suit maintainable. What happens next? We'll keep an eye on it. Thank you, Harish, for joining us with all these details. At the moment, we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.